Ever feel like your stuff is owning you? Like every room you walk into just adds to your stress. Cluttered counters, overflowing closets, too many tabs open, literally and mentally? Yeah, me too. That's exactly why I started exploring minimalist living. But here's the real question. Is it right for you? Let's find out. Minimalism isn't just about tossing half your stuff or living out of a backpack. It's about being intentional, about choosing what stays in your life and what doesn't. It's a lifestyle that more and more people are embracing. And in this video, I want to share what that journey has looked like for me, the ups, the downs, and how it might just change the way you live too. I used to think that more stuff meant more success. A packed calendar meant I was being productive. A closet full of clothes meant I had options. But honestly, I felt exhausted, constantly chasing something. I didn't even know what. Did you know the average household has over 300,000 items in it? That's 300,000 little decisions, distractions, and energy drains we don't even realize are weighing us down. It's not just the stuff. It's the constant pressure to do more, buy more, be more. Eventually, it all becomes noise, and I was drowning in it. I still remember the moment it all shifted. I came home one evening, looked around my apartment, and just broke down. On the outside, everything looked fine, but inside, I felt lost. That night, I searched something like, how to simplify your life. And that's when I found minimalism. At first, I thought it was just about owning less stuff, but it turned into so much more. I started with one drawer, then a closet, then full weekends spent rethinking what I let into my life, physically, emotionally, even digitally. I stopped trying to keep up. I started tuning in. And honestly, I feel lighter, clearer, more focused, like I finally have space, in my home and in my head. But let me be real with you. Minimalism isn't always easy. It challenges everything we've been taught about what a good life looks like. Some people think it's too extreme, or only for single people with no kids. But that's the biggest myth. Minimalism isn't a fixed rule book. It's a flexible mindset. You decide what's minimal for you. Maybe it means fewer clothes, or saying no to plans that drain you, or cutting back on your screen time so you can be more present. There's no right way. There's just your way. Minimalism helped me hit the pause button. It helped me ask, what do I actually want my life to feel like? And that one question has changed everything. Less stuff, more space, fewer distractions, more peace. And if you're craving that too, maybe minimalism is worth exploring, even if it's just one drawer, one choice, one step. So, what do you think? Have you tried minimalist living? Are you just curious? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want more videos on simple living, decluttering, and personal growth, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my minimalism playlist. Thanks for being here. Your journey starts now.